Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Good morning. There you go. Now I can.
Okay. You gotta pivot it. It's 1970. There we go. There, I just scalped this out of that drawdown. That was a quick. Did you see how fast that 40 ticks hit?
Yeah, it looked like it bleeped in and bleeped out.
It literally opened and closed in profit. 40 ticks. I was gonna drag it down because I think we're crashing down to the pivot at not at 780, but I didn't even get a chance. We should be out of drawdown now. I got my ass kicked on. I tried to. I was like, "Oh, look at this! Look at this bull flag that's busting through. It's even over 50% of this zone." I'm like, "Hell yeah! It's about to break this high." So I was like, right here when it broke through right here, I was like,
Mhm.
"Yeah, there we go." Because look, watch, look at that right there. Or it might have been this one. It was one of these candles. I was like, "Yeah," and then look at this. Choom! One candle straight down, right in the stop loss that was sitting right here. I'm like, you motherfuckers. Ugh. And then I realized we were dropping, so I just started scalping down, and now we're dig ourselves out of that drawdown. I think I'm positive 75 now. Should be pretty close to not being negative.
Well, mine's still showing red 172. I don't see how though.
I
I
just
really
did
don't.
two 40 tick scalps.
On NQ, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
they both just won.
I have no idea. Hmm. Unless it didn't close. I don't know. I have it on market. That's weird.
Look at that bounce off of that. It's a good chance we see a big crash today. I mean, we already seen one since yesterday, but could finish. We got liquidity at 602. I don't know. Could end up retracing back up in the zone right here. If not, there's the double bottom right here. 601. Yeah. Let's see what the bot's gonna do. Okay, so we just had a shark fin up, and now we are having a shark fin down. Straight up and down. Wonder which one it's gonna be. Which one's gonna actually push. It might not. It might not push. It might just sit inside of its range real quick. Stay there. Got us into a couple of scalps earlier. Lost them both. Went into like $400 or $500 in drawdown. Pretty much scalped my way out of the drawdown. Now I'm just going to wait on our normal setup. I thought that this was going to break out to the upside, and it didn't. They just dumped it right here. When everybody was buying this bull flag here, they just said, "Foom," and then all the way the hell down here. Like, okay. I took a couple shorts right here. 240 tick wins. Should have went. I was going to go 2 contracts, but I did not. We'll just win 1. Which is kind of aggravating. There was a lot of things confirming this was going to break out. That was literally just hardcore manipulation right here. Price action, indicators, RSI, MACD. Everything was like, yeah, here we go. Nope. Can we make another high here? Look at that. Holy crap. They're all over. Get 2 minutes for the orb to be complete. Here's our 4-hour chart here. Less than a minute on the orb. So we got our, what size range is this here? 400 tick range. Woo. Is our 945 zone? Hmm. Just waiting to see if this is going to do something. We're just kind of walking up and down inside of this little tiny range right here. 45 is up into the old 45 now. This 4-hour candle is starting to doji out here. Got 10 minutes left on it. We might get along here again, like yesterday, kind of, possibly. What are we going to do here, Price? We are literally just doing absolutely nothing right here. Okay. And the short is on. The short is on. Here we go. Come on. Drop down there and hit it. Wrong way. Come on. What is that right there? 896. And this one's been a struggle. Come on, let's go. I'm going break even on this in case it just bounces off this orb. I'm not gonna. Yeah, yeah. This is getting stupid. Break even's hit. Yeah. It is just ranging and just double bottom, so I went break even on it to make sure it just didn't get smacked in the face. What do you mean? I'm getting delayed. Okay. And that was a good call because it did just double bottom, but I don't think it's lost yet. No, it hasn't. If this dumps below this low again, I'm going to enter again. Might be the second loss of March for this thing. And it would be on a Friday. Yep, that is. We've already cleared out 945 zone. I'm going to start calling Fridays fuck you Fridays. That's what I'm going to start calling Fridays. The fuck you Fridays. All right. This thing still hasn't lost yet, though. I mean, it still hasn't closed this and lost. It might dump still. We'll see. If that does happen, I'll get in again. We are kind of bear flagging right here. Yeah. So we had a little bear flag here, right? They broke it, and then oh my goodness. Wow. Now I wish we would have held. Holy shit. Okay. Psst. That definitely would have hit take profit. And then right back up.
What was it? Some orange folder news today or something? I don't.
No, there was red news at 8:30, but like this
Oh,
was
red. Oh,
this is right at 10,
yeah.
and let me see.
Ooh, that kind of
I
nasty.
don't pay attention to.
Yeah.
There's consumer sentiment at 10 that like never does anything. I don't ever pay attention to any of that. Okay, here we go. Don't you fucking do it. Don't you fucking do it. Jesus fucking Christ. All right, this is, if I lose this, I'm going to be done. Friday is fucking me, and I'm not going to sit here and just do this over and over again. I'm not going to just sit here and just keep getting Friday'd. Like, this is clearly bearish as fuck. Yeah, this is fuck you Friday. So here we go. I'm not gonna lose the week's fucking gains over this shit. I will take the loss for today if this is what this is gonna do. And we literally dumped and then we're ranging right on the bottom of the orb. Okay, I'm out. All right, I'm done. You guys have a good one.